Hey everyone, I'm Kartik and today I'm going to show you a game-changing feature we have just released, CCI, which is Concept Card Integration. It supports both FasCard and LaundryCard. And CCI integration is available on POS and Business Manager system. So let's dive into the Business Manager with me. Now let me walk you through how this works. I'm going to show you the complete setup. So as you can see, this is the home screen of our Business Manager. First, let's head over to the settings, and here you can see the integration section. Click on that and you can clearly check the connect button. Click on that. So the general settings updated successfully and you can check the badge. CCI is connected successfully. Now we have to configure the store for CCI. Let's select this store. In the bottoms, you can see both the options, but we choose the laundry card. Perfect. Now I will fill the details. Now save this. Just like that, our CCI integration is configured and ready to go. Now we will create the order and see how does this works. Now for the exciting part, let's create an order to test this integration. I'm going to create a new service order. From here, this is our POS dashboard, and from there you can create a new order. So let's click on this, and let's suppose we have a customer named Adeline Martin. So I need to add the customer first. Here we will enter the phone number of the user. And as you can see on the left side, there is an option of laundry card number. You can add the laundry card from there, but we'll skip for now as I'm going to add the laundry card on the process of taking payment of order. So let's save the user. And now we will create the order. Let's select the service. Now we will take the payment. There's the option of add laundry card. Click on this and here you are able to enter the card number. Save this card and you can see there's the option of laundry card now to pay for this order. Here the payment is done with the help of laundry card. So there you have it. CCI card support including laundry card is now fully integrated into both our POS and Business Manager systems. Your customer gets faster transaction and you get smoother operations right at the counter. Questions about this new feature? Drop them in the comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on our latest release. Thank you.